guys. So, do y'all want a script for rivals like this? The skin changer? Well, I got you, my boy. So, here's the totally keyless, constrained, spooper, and can do mouse, keyboard, touch, gamepad. I mean, like, it's kind of overpowered. And no, you cannot change into Apex because that's kind of hobbies that you are a cheater. So, yeah, you can do FPS boost, ESP, G1, tracers, X-ray, dark texture, and anything else you want. Like, look at this. See, brother? See, brother? This is okay, brother. So, if you want more scripts like this, subscribe to me or just like or share this to your friends. By the way, the script is below the comments. So, bye!